Ever wondered who you are? How can you identify yourself? These questions may seem simple, but understanding the answers is an essential part of our personal journey. Today, we're going to delve into the importance of self-identity, using the life story of a great Sri Lankan, Dr. C.W.W. Kannangara, as a reference. Born in the late 19th century, Dr. Kannangara faced many obstacles in his early life. He lost his mother at a tender age of 6 and was raised by his stepmother. Despite these challenges, he used his identity as a diligent student to overcome them, securing scholarships that led him to prestigious institutions like Richmond College. Dr. Kannangara's identity was not just tied to his academic achievements. He was also a talented sportsman, a debater, and an actor. His multifaceted identity allowed him to excel in many areas of life. But he didn't stop at just achieving personal success. He used his identity as a scholar and a lover of learning to make a significant difference in the world. He joined the legal profession, got involved in social work and politics, and eventually became the first Minister of Education of Sri Lanka. His identity as an advocate for education led him to pioneer the free education system in Sri Lanka, ensuring that every child, regardless of their background, could access quality education. This monumental achievement earned him the title Father of Free Education of Sri Lanka. Dr. Kannangara's story is a perfect example of how understanding our self-identity can help us navigate the challenges we face in life. It's not just about knowing who we are, but also about recognizing our strengths, our weaknesses, and our potential to make a difference in the world. So who are you? How do you identify yourself? Remember, you are an extra special individual. No one on earth is equal to you. Be your own self. That is your identity. Dr. Kannangara's story shows that understanding your self-identity can be the first step to overcoming challenges and making an impact. So, how do we go about understanding our self-identity? Well, the first step is to recognize and acknowledge our skills, weaknesses, and characteristics. These elements, though they may seem simple, are crucial building blocks in the construction of our self-identity. They define how we interact with the world around us and how we perceive ourselves. Let's take the example of Sewandi, a grade 6 student. Sewandi took the time to write down her good qualities. She identified herself as respectful, patient, simple, disciplined, happy, kind, truthful, and honest. These are not just adjectives, but the essence of who she is. They form the foundation of her self-identity. But it's not just about the virtues we possess. Our skills and weaknesses too play a vital role. Let's say you're good at solving mathematical problems or playing a musical instrument. These skills make you who you are. Similarly, acknowledging your weaknesses, whether it's impatience or fear of public speaking, is equally important. These weaknesses are not to be ashamed of. Instead, they provide us with opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Now, let's not forget about the challenges and obstacles we face in life. They shape our character and resilience, sculpting us into the individuals we become. Overcoming these hurdles not only strengthens our self-identity, but also boosts our confidence and self-esteem. Every single detail, from our personal information to our good qualities, from our skills to our weaknesses, and even the challenges we face, contributes to our self-identity. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, where every piece, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in completing the picture. And remember, each one of us is unique. No two puzzles are the same. Your self-identity is yours and yours alone. It's what makes you, you. So embrace your individuality, cherish your uniqueness, and most importantly, always strive to be true to yourself. Because, remember, you are an extraordinary individual. No one on earth is like you. Recognizing and embracing your self-identity is key to your success. What happens when you recognize and embrace your self-identity? Let's continue our journey with Dr. C.W.W. Kannangara. After identifying his talents and focusing his efforts on his studies, he went on to achieve remarkable things. But it was his self-identity, his understanding of who he was and what he stood for, that truly propelled him forward. He was a man who believed in the power of education and saw it as a means to uplift the underprivileged. This belief led him to become the first Minister of Education in Sri Lanka in 1931. He didn't just hold a prestigious title, he used his position to bring about meaningful change. He recognized that his country's future depended on its children and that every child, regardless of their background, deserved a quality education. Dr. Kannangara was instrumental in introducing free education in Sri Lanka from the primary to the university level. This was a monumental step forward, breaking down barriers and opening doors of opportunity for countless individuals. He also played a key role in establishing central colleges and the vernacular education system in Sri Lanka. These initiatives aimed to ensure that education wasn't just accessible but also relevant and inclusive. But his impact didn't stop there. Dr. Kannangara's commitment to education and his tireless advocacy left a lasting legacy. Today, he is fondly remembered as the father of free education in Sri Lanka, a title that speaks volumes about the depth of his contribution. Dr. Kannangara's life is a testament to the fact that recognizing your self-identity can lead you to great heights. He understood who he was, what he was capable of, and what he valued. This self-recognition shaped his path, guided his decisions, and ultimately allowed him to make a profound difference in the world. So, as you journey through life, remember the power of self-identity. It's not just about knowing who you are, but also about understanding what you stand for and how you can leverage your unique strengths to make a positive impact. Dr. Kannangara's life is a testament to the fact that recognizing your self-identity can lead you to great heights. What can we learn from Dr. Kannangara's life? A lot, indeed. From his story, we see that knowing who you are, understanding your strengths and weaknesses, and acknowledging your identity can be a powerful catalyst for change. Dr. Kannangara, despite his humble beginnings, recognized his potential and used it to conquer life's challenges. He found his identity in his talents, his passion for education, and his desire to make a difference in the world. His self-identity helped him navigate through life's obstacles, and ultimately, he was able to transform the education system in Sri Lanka, earning the title the Father of Free Education. So, what's the takeaway? It's simple. Embrace who you are. Cherish your unique qualities. Recognize your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Your self-identity is not just about who you are, it's about who you can become. Your self-identity is your strength. It can help you overcome challenges and make a difference in the world, just like Dr. Kannangara did.